My first impression when I got this DJI, oh my goodness, it just like it's really sturdy. You know you're holding something of value, but yet so small. So please, this video is not for technicalities, or if you're looking at a good review for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this video is not for you. I'm just here to create this video to share my business journey as a content creator. So let me say that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You all know what I'm here to talk about. And in all honesty, it's one of the most exciting videos for me to create. My name is Tare and I have a growing business here in Ghana called Ladies and Scarves, but the core of my business is scarves. But in today's video, I'm not here to talk about my scarves. I got it's an empty it's an empty I'm just so excited. It's an empty package here. But I got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for my business. It has been a long journey coming. I could remember in 2023, thereabouts, I created a video talking about my not wish list, my goals for 2024 and how I would love to get camera to upgrade my business content and all of that. 2024 came and it didn't happen. And I still came on here in like maybe two past videos to talk about goal settings and all of that, and even what I intend to achieve this year for my growing business. And also in Ladies and Scarves, I create my content most times myself, 90% myself. And sometimes the content has to do with me or my hands or me talking about it, my voice. So I do most of my content myself. And I have always strive for making my content better. So yes, I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I already unboxed it. You all know I couldn't wait. I'll leave the unboxing to the later part of this video to tell you my first impression about it. But this video is not solely about me getting a new gadget. It's to talk about my journey as a business owner and also a content creator for her business. Um, if you have been following me here on YouTube or my journey as a business owner, I always say this thing that at every phase of your business, make use of what you have to the best capacity, to the best capacity. I've always said that. And in this video, it's a journey for me, like going back and seeing how I have grown, how I have progressed, and how my business can be able to purchase a gadget for it. It might be something very small for other people, but for me, it's a big deal. Um, it's a big deal. That's all I can say. It's a big deal for me, and I'm super grateful. But here in this video, I just want to take you guys through the journey. I started Ladies and Scarves fully in 2018. I started making sales, I started making content, and I started progressing. I've had other businesses on the side, but Ladies and Scarves has been a big part of my journey. That's why I only focus on Ladies and Scarves, my growing business. Um, So in front of me, I have other phones here. I have other phones. So this is, I don't even know what brand of phone is this. Okay, this is an Infinix phone. It is all beat up. It is useless at this point. I can remember when I started dating scarves, I had an iPhone 6, 6S or something. And another thing about this DJI is it's one of the gadgets I'm buying for my business, brand new, like brand new, and I had to tear it, like open it up, brand new. Every other gadget I have bought for my business is maybe fairly used, refurbished, UK used, and something like that. Okay, back to this phone. So I can remember when I got this phone. Before I got this phone, I was using an iPhone 6S, and I didn't even get the phone brand new because I moved back to Ghana, and you all know that story of how this business kicked off. And I was using this iPhone 6S, and then was it 6S or 6? I can't remember, but you know the iPhone that it was really hot. So I can remember I went to the room. I've had this habit of not taking my phones inside the room. So by the time I woke up the next day, um, I think I charged it and I was putting it I put it on the chair. So my younger brother sat on it, and then the phone broke, like broke into two. And then when I saw it in the morning, I was like, oh my god, I just told my sister, my phone don't break. Oh. Like my phone has, like it broke into two. And then my younger brother said, oh, he mistakenly sat on it or something like that. And I was like, okay, that's fine. I didn't flinch. I wasn't angry. I didn't even think about it. Yes, I wanted to create video that day, but I didn't think about it. I didn't flinch. What I did was I logged into my sister's phone and then I used her phone to create content and to respond to DMs. I couldn't even do WhatsApp. So it took me about 2 or 3 days. I wasn't even looking out to buy phone. The business is not hasn't gotten to that stage. I just moved back to Ghana. It's not like I had the money. I was just like, okay. I just didn't know what to do, right? And at the same time, I wasn't worried. So that was how that was how I think 2 days later, my sister was looking at like WhatsApp status and then she saw one of our friends posted an iPhone and it was for such a good amount. And this is the iPhone. I think this is, what iPhone is this? So I upgraded to an iPhone 7 and the deal I got it for then was so good. And I think this is 258 gig or so. Oh my God. I was so happy. And then when I went to Lagos to, I think my brother gave me this one as a gift. So these two phones, I started using it. So it became, that was when I split and I had my personal phone and then my work phone. And I was so happy, very, very happy. So I used this iPhone 7. I used and used and used, repaired and repaired and repaired. Remember, it's not even brand new, so it was refurbished or something. I repaired and repaired, but I kept on using it to create some of the best content I have on my business page. And it got to a point where I fixed it and I don't know what happened. It just stopped working. And then it was time to upgrade. Well, I was using this as my personal phone. And this one too, I used and used, repaired, 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 and it got spoiled. Moving forward, I knew I had to replace this iPhone 7 um, with, that's my work phone, with an XS Max. So when I wanted to buy this XS Max as well, I got a lot of great review. I saw a lot of people talking about it. Oh, it's good for content. It's good for content. Yada, yada, yada. Remember, none of this is working anymore. So I got the iPhone XS Max and it has served me even for some of my YouTube videos, but I use it a lot for my business content and it is still working till date, right? So I kept on using it. Super proud of this phone. Right now my assistant is using it to create content when I'm not around or respond to messages and things like that. But this phone served me. Remember, I did not buy this phone brand new. I got a good deal for fairly used and then I bought it because instead of me to just take out money from the business to buy a brand new gadget, I just keep thinking, no, I need to move, like I need to upgrade, I need to buy new products because I said it in one of my videos that um the problem in my business is good problem. Demand is always higher than supply. And also, you also have to have in mind that I always see my business as a separate entity. So I always see my business as a separate entity for me. And if the business is not ready to move to a certain stage, I don't over strain myself to say, oh, let me go and look for money or personal money to buy. I say no. Once the business gets to the stage to upgrade itself, then I upgrade. So I keep using this iPhone XS Max and I'm still using it till date. And I told myself again that it's time to upgrade. We need a crispier content. I started researching what's the best phone to buy. Then I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max last year for my business. Now, when I keep saying for my business, I want you all to know that these phones, I use them solely for my business. I'm not really a gadget person. This is my personal phone. I think this is a Techno Camon. I don't even know. It's my personal phone. I really don't take pictures with it. It's just there. This is the phone I used to make calls with my mom. I use it making calls with my mom, chat with my family members and a few people in my circle. So this is my this is my personal phone. So it's nothing fancy, but I love it. The battery can last me for 3 days, 4 days. So I love it. And then I upgraded to my 13 Pro Max for my business and it has been serving me since last year and it's still serving me because I'm using it to film this YouTube video. And if you go on my business page, most of the videos I have done last year for ladies and scarves, I have been using the iPhone 13 Pro Max and it has been beautiful. One thing that has really taken my content from here to here is my light setup. whenever I'm making content for ladies and scarves. Yeah. So now you see how I have taken you guys through the journey and how buying this DJI means a lot to me for the single fact that my business has grown to the stage where I can afford to buy a brand new gadget, like brand new. Like I'm literally the first person to open it. Like I tore off the seal, I tore off everything, and then I can turn it on, and it just I feel so I feel so blessed. I feel I feel I don't know how to explain how I feel. To some other people, oh come on, it's just a camera. Yes, to you, but to me, it's looking at myself and how God has brought me this far, and also knowing that there's so much more to achieve. So it has been a very beautiful journey. And my first impression when I got this DJI, oh my goodness, it just like it's really sturdy. You know you're holding something something of value, but yet so small. So please, this video is not for technicalities, or if you're looking at a good review for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this video is not for you. I'm just here to create this video to share my business journey as a content creator. So let me say that. So basically, so when you get it, it feels I don't know how to explain this, but it's just sturdy. The hardware is lovely as well. Very portable, very small. It came with the casing for protection, and I had to go check YouTube after I've watched hundreds of videos. I had to go check YouTube again how to put it in the casing. Like this. I love it already, and I cannot wait to create more content. And also it came with this as a purse or a bag. It came with this bag, and it's also very durable. It feels very hard, feels like it's high quality. And inside I created an unboxing. I'm going to leave it on the side. It came with an extra battery which I have charged, and then it came with this extension for here. So you put it here. Yeah, you put it here. How do I have to go check again? How do I do this now? Okay, yeah, got it. So you see, I'm not a gadget person. So it comes with this extension as well. And it came with this tripod, like just seeing the DJI everywhere. This tripod where you can screw. So just you guys should just get ready to see more amazing content. If you're following my business journey, or if you're following my business page, you see that there's like a change in content. When I mean change in terms of quality, yes. And it came with a microphone. Came with this microphone. I haven't like tested like start using it. I'm sure for my next videos on YouTube, I'll start filming with this. And it came with a mic, it came with this magnet. So if you want to put it somewhere or clip it somewhere, it came with that. And it came with this, is it filter? What did I call this? Like I told you guys, I'm not so good with all those technical stuff. So it came with its own charger. It came with some stickers in it. Well, yeah. I just want to encourage you today. Your business might be
I'm so
very
sorry about the
small, and
audio, but
then
here I was
maybe
just
your
talking
capital is not
about
even more than
how the journey
$100
has
at
been
this point.
smooth
But I want you to know that
and how I just had faith and also put in the work. It has been a long journey coming because for me, it's very important that I maximize every opportunity I have. I knew my business could not afford brand new things at a certain phase. But right now, buying brand new items for my business, it feels very good. And when I mean brand new things, I mean like gadgets for my business. So I feel very, very, very happy that my business has gotten to this stage where I could buy a camera to film content for the business. So it has been a long journey coming. And I just want to encourage you that do not compare your day one with someone else's year six. right? Yes, you can strive for growth, you want to grow, you want to achieve a lot, but do not compare your day one or your month one, or don't say, oh, this person seem like this person is making a whole lot of sale, or I'm not making a lot of sale. Don't compare your business with another person's business, and put your business down. Give your business grace. Pamper your business. Speak words of life to your business. I know I'm still starting out. I'm just growing. I still see my business like a baby, right? But I know the dreams and plans I have for ladies and scarves. And I do know that all of this, with the right strategies, with the right work, with the right research, and even with the right team, all of this will come to fruition. So do not lose hope. Whatever gadget you have, it might be an iPhone 6, iPhone 10, iPhone XX Max, whatever phone you have, start creating content for your business. Do not wait to say, oh, till I get something better or till I get something bigger before I will create content. Start creating content. Content is king, actually. Content will either make or break your business. Research on the kind of content that your business needs and start creating it. And then when you grow to a certain stage and maybe creating content is not your forte or it's not something that you like, then you can outsource it, right? So I still feel happy, and I feel bad kind of that I couldn't get I don't know what happened to the audio in this part, but I just I just wanted to come to this voiceover, and later in the video the audio came back. But now that we have the DJI, we are going to make sure that the audio is always crisp and clear. My laptop too, I got it fairly used. I think that was what I was saying in this part of the video. I got my laptop fairly used for a good price, a good deal. And this is the laptop. This is the second year I'm using this one. And even before I switched to this laptop, I was using one other one for like 4 years. So you see, it has been a journey, and I'm really, really grateful to God.
Kindly do not forget to subscribe. Leave in the comment section. Tell me, Tare, congratulations on your new camera. And I'll respond to your comments. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share with friends. And I'll see you all in my next video that I'm going to be creating with my new camera. So thank you all so much, and bye guys.